Hey guys, here's your quick tutorial to the line dance Blame Texas by Dustin Valcalda and Sierra Gill. Starting with our right, chasse to the side on 1 and 2. Rock back left, recover right on 3, 4. Step left to the side on 5, cross right behind left on 6. Quarter turn left, stepping left forward on 7. Scuff with our right heel on 8. Rocking chair with our right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step forward right on 5. Pivot, half turn left on 6. Stomp right left on 7, 8. Jazz box quarter turn to our right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stepping right to the side with hip sways right and left on 5, 6, 7, 8. Step forward on right on 1, scuff with left heel on 2, step forward left on 3, pivot, half turn to our right on 4. We're going to continue turning to our right side with a chasse to the left on 5 and 6. Rock back right, recover left, 7, 8. And you begin the dance again. Let's try all of that with some counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And you begin the dance again.